morning. Today Sunday. We had our zone 2 ride, already like 87 kilometers. So my goal is for at least 100 kilometers on zone 2 on heavy gears. Already, I think 11 o'clock. Alright, let's go. A very beautiful church here in Ordaneta. Very nice temple.